Every morning we wake up and before our feet touch the ground, our fingers touch the screen. Click, swipe, tap, we unlock our phones, but who unlock us? In this digital dawn, we are connected, but are we protected? We share our lives in a pixels and a post, but who else is watching from the digital ghost? They know what you brought last Tuesday. They know where you went for lunch. They know your mother's maiden name, your first pet, your favorite song. But who are they? The algorithms that learn your patterns, the companies that sell your habits, the hackers in the digital shadows waiting for you to leave your windows open. Your password is password 123. Your security question, your dog's name. You just handed them the keys to your digital dreams. Sander lost her job because her data was breached. Fritz can get a loan, his identity was stolen. Lee, photos were shared without consent, her dignity is scattered across the internet. This isn't just about data. This is about people, real lives, real consequence, real families torn apart by digital carelessness. When we ignore privacy settings, we're not just risking our own security, we're risking our children's future, our democracy foundation, our humanity good connection. But we are not powerless. We can choose strongest password, enable to from authentication factor, read those terms and conditions. We can teach our children that privacy is not about hiding. It's about choosing. Choosing who sees our lives, choosing who holds our data, choosing our digital destiny. Every click is a choice. Every download is a decision. Every share is a statement. This is who I am. This is who I trust. So let us build a digital world where privacy is protected, where security is standard, where technology serves humanity, not the other around. The future is in our hands. The code is ours to write. Let's make it secure.